Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Motormix. Today we're taking a closer look at a legend reborn, the all-new 2025 Toyota Century Sedan. This car isn't just a luxury vehicle, it's a statement piece, a rolling embodiment of Japanese craftsmanship and innovation. Exterior design. Let's start with the stunning exterior. The Century boasts a bold and sophisticated presence. The intricate grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights, commands attention. The flowing lines along the sides are accentuated by subtle chrome accents, creating a sense of timeless elegance. In the back, a full-width LED taillight bar adds a contemporary touch, while the overall design remains clean and uncluttered. Interior luxury. Step inside and prepare to be wowed. The Century's cabin is an oasis of opulence. Premium leather and real wood trim adorn every surface, showcasing meticulous attention to detail in every stitch. The rear seats are a haven of relaxation, with features like massage capabilities. This isn't just a car, it's a first-class travel experience on wheels. Performance and technology. Under the hood, the 2025 Century offers a refined hybrid powertrain. A powerful V8 engine combines with an electric motor for a seamless blend of power and efficiency. This setup ensures a smooth, quiet ride, perfect for cruising the city or conquering the highway. Don't be fooled by its luxurious nature, though. The Century also packs surprising agility, making it a joy to drive or be driven in. Safety and features. Of course, a car of this caliber prioritizes safety. The Century comes equipped with Toyota's latest suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Every aspect of the Century is designed to provide occupants with the utmost comfort, performance, and peace of mind. Final thoughts. The 2025 Toyota Century Sedan is more than just a car, it's a symbol of status and a testament to Toyota's commitment to pushing the boundaries of luxury. It blends tradition with cutting-edge technology, creating an unforgettable driving experience. Whether you're a captain of industry or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Century is a car that deserves a closer look. So what do you think of the 2025 Toyota Century? Let me know in the comments below what features impress you the most. And if you're looking for more in-depth information or reviews, be sure to check out the links in the description. As always, thanks for watching.